In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam Captcha error. This pesky issue can be pretty annoying, especially when all you want to do is hop into a game and relax. But don't worry, we're here to walk you through the process so you can get back to gaming without any headaches. First, let's ensure that your web browser is up to date. Outdated browsers can often cause compatibility issues, including problems with CAPTCHAs. Go to your browser settings or preferences and check for updates. For Chrome, you can do this by clicking on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner, selecting Help, and then About Google Chrome. This will automatically check for the latest version and install any updates. Once updated, try accessing Steam again to see if the CAPTCHA error persists. Next, it's essential to clear the cache and cookies from your browser. This helps to eliminate any corrupted data that might be causing the CAPTCHA to malfunction. For clearing cache and cookies in Chrome, you can go to the three-dot menu again, hover over More Tools, and click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure that both cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked and then hit Clear Data. Once you're done clearing cache and cookies, restart your browser and try accessing the site once more. If the CAPTCHA issue continues, let's move on to the next step. It's a good idea to disable any extensions, especially ad blockers, temporary. These can frequently interfere with web elements like CAPTCHA. Head to your browser's extension menu, which you can usually find under More Tools. Toggle each extension off, then refresh your Steam page to check if the issue is resolved. Sometimes, just a simple browser restart after disabling extensions can do the trick. If the CAPTCHA error persists, consider trying a different browser altogether. Give Firefox or Edge a shot, as sometimes specific CAPTCHAs may have issues with one browser and work fine with another. Now, if you're still facing problems, make sure your internet connection is stable. You could restart your modem or router just to be sure. Reconnecting to your network helps to establish a fresh connection and can clear up any errors related to a weak or disrupted signal. Lastly, if after all these steps, you're still stuck, try accessing Steam from a different device. Occasionally, other background software or hardware issues might be causing the CAPTCHA error on your main device. Accessing from a different device can let you know if the problem is isolated to one piece of hardware. And there you have it. Hopefully, these steps will help you resolve the Steam CAPTCHA error and get you back to your games without further interruptions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.